Hey guys, welcome to Rainbow Tech and I'm Vish. In this video, I'm gonna reviewing the Resurrection Remix ROM. So this ROM is based on Cyanogen Mode ROM and it consists of all features of Cyanogen Mode ROM. So here in the menu about phone, you can see Resurrection Remix version, which is 5.7.4. You can see about Resurrection Remix and status, and device model is Motorola Moto G3, Android version is 6.0.1, Marshmallow, and RAM is 2 GB RAM. Yeah, it's 2 GB variant. In the settings, the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, SIM card, and these are actually normal settings. Here is the personalization or customization options. So in configuration we have status bar. In status bar we can customize the clock, where here in the clock customizations you can change it as left, right or middle, the center. As you can see, the clock is at the center. You can choose the AM PM as small, hidden or normal. So I will choose normal. And date you can hide or small, large, you can do that. And date style you can change, date position, date format, color switch, font size, everything you can change. Here in battery status style you can change the battery positions, it can, and battery style, which is circle or landscape, portrait, anything. Battery percentage inside or next to the icon or hidden. So I will choose inside. So you can also add a battery bar where you can see the battery bar's charge status. So top of the navigation bar, so you are not status bar. As you can see now, the battery bar option, it's 72%, it's nearly 72% fill. You can change the color and everything. You can change, let me disable that, let me hide. You can also add charge animations. You can change the status bar icons, icon color you can change, carrier label, which is like Airtel, Idea, like that, network traffic, which will give upload and download speed. You can even show the logo. You can see it will show a Resurrection Remix logo, or you have many more options like brightness control. You can change brightness moving your finger on status bar, and there are so many options like show 4G instead of LTE, show 3G instead of HSPA. And in notification drawer you have force expand, notification header, you can change, customize the header, change the font size, colors, etc. And in quick setting panel, quick pull down, you can, if I pull down right, then I will get the whole setting. Otherwise if I click off, then it will give the just notification bar. Smart pull down, QS colors, QS vibrations, advanced data tile. There are so many options you can explore here. And in navigation bar, navigation mode, there are so many options here. Pulse, button controller, you can change the function of your power or volume rocker keys. Lock screen, here you can add some features to the UI. You can add media cover art to the lock screen. Lock screen blur, yeah, this is a best feature. If I lock my cell phone and if I unlock it, then I will get the blur option and I will get transparent, and I can see which is I can see the background. And here there are so many options: clock font size, date font size, weather options, and wallpaper. We can change different wallpaper in lock screen. Animations, here we have system animations. We can change that: slide left or slide right, activity, fade, slide in bottom. As you can see, the animation has been changed. And we have gestures option, gesture top anywhere. Yeah, multitasking, multi-window mode. We have a multi-window mode option here, and even we have floating windows option. Here you can see, let me open some other applications. For example, calculator, messaging, camera, dialer, and browser, file manager, etc. And now if I click here, then I can use it as a multi-window. Here you can see this is a browser, and this is the file manager. And there is another option where you can use it as a floating window. As you can see, my file manager is floating on my home screen. You can choose this also. And now we have so many options here. So let's go to setting again, in configuration. Multitasking is over. Miscellaneous, we have some other settings here: dashboard styles, blur personalizations, DOS power save, and many other options like restart system UI. And here you can check for updates for your Resurrection Remix ROM. So there is no internet connection, and even there is no signal. So there is no bugs. I'm using this ROM from past 2 days. There is no issues with this ROM, and it's perfectly working fine. And it's a little bit faster. So come to battery usage, it will give a more battery usage. And here my battery graph is not that much correct. And theme chooser, we have 2 different themes. You can choose anyone. I will choose another theme. As you can see, the theme is applying changes. Now I got the same different theme. As you can see, all the icons, buttons, everything has been changed. Now setting is a black color, and in sounds, display, notification, gestures, battery, security, memory, these all are normal settings. And we have another settings, performance. In the performance we have other option, kernel options, where you can see CPU temperature, GPU temperature, battery temperature, and how each cores of CPU are working at what speed. You can see that here. You can refresh, reset, and you can see the CPU usage here, and here there are some other options like CPU. You can see all CPU details here. And let me show you other options. The performance itself, thermal options, here it will give you temperatures. Right here you can see the GPU options, screen options, and battery options. There are so many options. IO scheduler, low memory killer, virtual memory, entropy, mix, custom control, backup, build, prop editor, profile recovery, on boot, and many more settings, many more options here. So this ROM consists of lots of options. You can use that, and even you can customize it. Here you can see I have a local terminal here, and I can see all the options here. Let me go to storage, CD storage. Now I am in, storage is not phone, okay, it's CS, yeah, CD SD card, sorry. Now I am in SD card. As you can see, I can list all the applications. Let me clear once and I will show you. Yeah, let me show you my correct directory. So that's all guys, thank you for watching. To download this ROM, I will give the link in the description of this video. So if you think this video is helpful, then go ahead and give thumbs up. For more these videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.